Still lots to be done, but the old decking is ripped off and the new Trex is on. We still need to, around the edges here, do the solid board, and they want fascia as well, so we need to build things out a little bit. And we just stuffed this in right now without fasteners and no gap, just so nobody tripped over the hole. It's this last board on the edge here, and that needs to be done with a solid board as well. Then we got to come back and do all new railings and rebuild stairs and a landing. But all in all, it came out very nice. We had lots of flashing to do against the house, but this is, I guess, phase 2 of the deck. You saw the underside of it with the beams that went in. That's the way it looks now. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share.